Hanwha Vision's OnCloud is compatible with over 100 XP and Q series camera models, as well as any OnBIF compatible camera devices through OnCloud's gateway box. While new production Hanwha Vision cameras will be compatible with OnCloud right out of the box, using existing cameras will require additional steps when completing the onboarding process. We will go over those steps in this video. A link to a complete list of compatible Hanwha Vision camera models can be found in the description below. On the camera's web viewer page, ensure that your camera is using the recommended firmware version at the time that it is being onboarded. This information is available on the camera's camera settings page under the System menu. If you are unsure of which firmware you need to use, up-to-date firmware recommendations can be found in OnCloud's knowledge base linked in the description below. Once you have confirmed the proper firmware version is running on the camera, install the Cloud Connector app onto the camera via the Open Platform menu. Browse to the Cloud Connector application file recommended for your camera model. Select it and click Install to begin the installation. You will be prompted to confirm that you would like to proceed with the installation. A pop-up will inform you when the installation has been completed. Click Start to run the application. When the application status changes to Running, click Go App to reach the Cloud Connector page. On the Cloud Connector application page, input the organization ID and short name for your Cloud Portal account. This can be found at the top of the Cloud Portal homepage. Click Connect to Hanwha Vision Cloud to begin the onboarding process. A notification will appear letting you know that the camera has successfully connected to the Cloud Portal. Go to the Cloud Portal's Devices dashboard. There you will find a notification informing you that you have new devices to onboard, along with the number of pending devices. Click Onboard Devices to bring your camera into the Cloud Portal. You will be asked to edit the camera's location and area within your system. Once this is done, click Add. At this point, you may receive a browser notification to inform you that the camera has been added. Verify that the camera has been added to your device list. Its status should have changed to Claiming, letting you know that the camera is ready to be added to your OnCloud system. Go to OnCloud's Organization dashboard. Click on Manage in the Devices panel to access OnCloud's device list. Scroll to the camera you have just onboarded to the Cloud Portal. Click Claim Device to add it to OnCloud. Verify that the camera has been added to OnCloud's device list. Clicking on the camera will now allow you to edit the device information in settings. A license can now be applied to the camera via the Licenses tab of the Camera Settings page. The camera will appear in your camera's dashboard and is now ready to use with your OnCloud system. To learn more about OnCloud, visit us at hanwhavisionamerica.com.